Imagine waking up to an income stream earning you $1,000 per month while you sleep. And if this sounds too good to be true, it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I helped Sonny make his first 1K online by selling a simple digital product. And I'm going to break down the process in 5 easy steps. In step 1, I'm going to show you how to know if your digital product is going to sell even before you create it. Your product won't sell unless it contains these 2 key assets. And if any one of them are missing, you're completely wasting your entire time. In step 2, I'm going to show you the exact system I set up so that you can sell these digital products on autopilot. In step 3, I'm going to show you the 3 key things you need in this system in order to scale your digital products to make 1 to 5K consistently every single month. In step 4, I'm going to show you the strategy behind putting your product in front of the correct people that have the highest potential of buying. And in step 5, I'm going to show you how to convert that same audience into actual buyers, so you don't want to miss a thing. Let's dive in. So diving into step 1, how to know if your digital product is going to sell even before you create it. What I see a lot of digital marketers do first is they get this idea, create the product, and then they go out and find buyers. Completely wrong. If you want to make sure that your digital product actually makes you money, you need to make sure that it contains these 2 key assets. Asset number 1, your digital product must be niche specific. The key to success lies in finding a niche specific market. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a target audience with a unique and specific problem. Which brings us to asset number 2. Your digital product must actually solve an immediate or specific problem. For example, instead of creating a generic make money online ebook, consider targeting a niche like how to start a profitable Etsy shop in 30 days. This is way more specific and is a solution to an immediate problem while targeting a specific audience. The solution being starting a profitable Etsy shop in a time frame of 30 days. The audience is specifically for people looking to start an Etsy shop, and they may be unsure on how to do that in a good amount of time. When you create your products with a person or a group of people in mind, you increase the chances of reaching them because you know their problems and you'll know what catches their attention, and they'll be more motivated to purchase your digital products. It's just that simple. Products that don't solve problems don't sell. We don't create digital products. We offer solutions. If your digital product is too generic, then the people won't buy it. For example, why would I buy your ebook that's titled How to Make Money Online? Or maybe even called The Blueprint to Making Money Online. It's too broad and it doesn't solve a problem. A simple ChatGPT prompt would tell me how to make money online. But if your ebook is titled How Uber Drivers Can Pocket an Extra $2K a Month Without Driving, now that catches my attention. It's also more specific. It targets a specific group of potential buyers that need to make a certain amount of money. It also calls out an immediate problem that they're having and presenting a solution in a digital product form. But once you have your digital product idea, then all you have to do now is create it. Now there's a lot of ways out there to create it. I'm just going to tell you my 3 favorite ways of doing it in my business. Number 1 is you can create it from scratch using ChatGPT as a guide or reference. Number 2 is you can have AI software created entirely by using a simple software like designer.io. If you want to check out more information about that software, you should see a video popping up on my screen right now to where I broke down how I created an entire digital product using AI, more specifically designer.io, in less than 10 minutes. I'll also leave the link down below this video in the YouTube description. And number 3, which is my favorite, is that you can purchase a PLR digital product, make minor tweaks and changes, and resell and rebrand it as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Each and every single month, I make tens of thousands of dollars selling private label rights digital products that I didn't have to create. These PLR products save me a ton of time and stress, and all I have to do is make minor tweaks and changes. And after that's all done, when I sell the products, I keep all of the profit. If you're new to selling digital products and you want to get ahead of the pack and you're not tech savvy, I highly recommend you do this process. Down in my YouTube description, I have tons of resources to where you can find profitable PLR digital products that you can get started with right now and start making money as soon as tomorrow. I've also done a video on this subject, you can see one of those popping up on your screen right now. Moving on to step 2, as promised, I told you I showed you what system you need to set up so that you can sell these digital products on autopilot. You'll literally be able to make money while you sleep. Check out the video popping up on your screen right now, because when you pair what you've learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Till then, I'll see you on the other side. Stay blessed.